Revelation chapter 12. We see this word here, wonder, in here. Also means sign or sign. And we know the stars in heaven are meant for signs. Okay. I was once like many of you and thought that these verses have already taken place. But this sign that shows up in the sky, in heaven, sky and heaven are the same, happens right before the 1,203 days. This happens right before the 3.5 years. So these chapters, or at least these verses, have not already taken place. I once thought the same, that it has already come to pass. But if this sign, this wonder, happens right before the 3.5 years, that means these signs have not happened yet. Okay? Many people are thinking about what's happened in the past history, the facts, the truth, the things that have happened already, and putting them right here. And I'm guilty of doing the same thing. But the fact that we know that this is going to happen right before the 3.5 years means these have not happened yet. Which also, if you open your eyes to God's Holy Spirit and let Him teach you, let the wisdom from above fall, you will see the man-child who was to rule all nations with a rod of iron, her child was caught up. That's a rapture. And we have become one with Christ and to rule with Christ for 1,000 years. If He rules with the rod of iron, we will rule with the rod of iron as well. We have to remember, this time period of 3.5 years happens right after this sign in the heavens, right after these verses. Us born-again Christians are the man-child who is to rule with Christ. He rules with the rod of iron, and so will we with Him.